Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel weapons out of cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You will need sturdy corrugated cardboard, a sharp craft knife, a cutting mat, and strong adhesive like hot glue or wood glue. Also, have a ruler, pencil, and sandpaper ready. These basic supplies are crucial for creating impressive and durable replicas of your favorite superhero gear. Next, focus on your design and cutting. Begin by sketching your chosen Marvel weapon onto paper, ensuring all proportions are accurate. Then, carefully transfer this design onto your cardboard, marking all cut lines with a pencil. Use a very sharp craft knife for precise, clean cuts. Take your time, making several shallow passes rather than one deep cut for better control and safety. Now, let's assemble and reinforce your creation. Layer multiple cardboard pieces to achieve the desired thickness and structural integrity for your weapon. Use a strong adhesive, such as hot glue or wood glue, to securely bond each layer together. Pay special attention to reinforcing handles and any stress points with extra layers of cardboard, ensuring your replica is robust and ready for action. Finally, it is time for the finishing touches and detailing. Apply a primer coat to prepare the cardboard surface, ensuring an even base for your paint. Use acrylic paints to add color and intricate details, considering weathering effects for a more realistic look. Once painted, seal your finished piece with a clear protective coat, enhancing its durability and giving it a professional, polished appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.